Welcome to my kitchen. We have a delectable pizza pie made by Armour Lunch Makers, not to be confused with the other guys, the Lunchables. One may think that this is not a unique American delicacy, but rest assured, this is quite the delight.
When the moon hits your eye like a big pizza pie, that's a moon pizza pie.
As you can see, we have quite the arrangement of quality ingredients here. Fresh pizza dough, some pepperoni, some cheese, and one of a kind crunch bar, I may add. And we can't forget that delicious pizza sauce. First step, I want to take out the pepperoni.
Slices are a little big, so you really want to cut them down to a smaller size.
But that's a nice size to deal with now. When the moon hits your moon like a big old moon, that's a moon war. We got those set up. Got our first pie crust.
You gotta use this sparingly because there's not too much.
I like to grab a little spoon action here and
Six
spread out
spoon
the
action.
sauce a little bit more. Now for some cheese. Oh, stunning, absolutely stunning. Now we'll put on some roni slices here. Now that is one tasty looking pizza pie. So do the same thing with the other one and you'll be good to go. Put a little more cheese on top there to get that melty melt action going on, you know what I mean? Wipe off any debris. Time to preheat the oven. Most people don't know this, but there's a secret pizza button on the oven. You just gotta... See? It's right there. As you can see, we have the pizza button activated. Hey, check it out now. We got the pizza's gone and ready to go in the oven. Now don't forget the last important step before you put them in the oven. Give them a little smoochy smooch. And don't forget to clean off any debris. Remember, a clean cook is a happy cook, so wipe your hands off with your towel on your shoulder because it's an inconvenient location for towels. Alright, let's get them in there to get cooking and have them ready. I'm so hungry, salvation.
Now while we wait for that to cook, don't forget you got a little crunchy crunch in here. Just open it on up and pop it in.
And, Right, the pizza should be ready. Let's... Wait a second. What are those corn dogs doing in there? We got America's #1 veggie corn dog.
Am I kidding?
We gotta let it cool down just a little bit. For such a delightful meal, I like to pair it with a fine Cabernet wine. Woo!
Let's get the pizza set up to get going. Look at the pizzas in my belly.
Alright, grab your trusty pizza slicer. Whoop, 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 whoop. Let's get down to business. Alright, now that you got your pizza all cut up and ready to go, it's time to chow down. Let's grab one here. Nice grouping of pepperoni on there. You got all the
Nice
stuff you
grouping.
need. So let's dive right in.
Absolutely stunning, absolutely stunning, absolutely stunning, absolutely stunning.
Whew. I'm pretty full though. I don't think I could eat another slice. Maybe one more.
Maybe one more.
Magnifique.
Maybe one more.
Oh, beautiful, full, spacious skies, for amber waves of grain, for purple mountain majesties above the fruited plain. America, America, God shed His grace on thee.